Once upon a time, in a sun-kissed town, there lived a young girl named Lily, whose life was overshadowed by the relentless grip of lupus. The disease was like a storm cloud that refused to pass, casting a shadow over her vibrant spirit. But amidst the trials, a beacon of hope emerged in the form of her stepmother, Ava. Ava, a compassionate soul with eyes that sparkled with kindness, had embraced a plant-based lifestyle that radiated through her being. She was a garden in human form, flourishing with health and vitality. When she noticed Lily's suffering, Ava knew she had to share the secret of her verdant life. With a gentle hand and a heart full of love, Ava guided Lily into the world of plant-based nourishment. She taught her about the power of leafy greens, the strength in grains, and the healing touch of legumes. Together, they explored the colorful bounty of the earth, cooking meals that were as nourishing as they were delicious. As the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, a transformation began. Lily's once dimmed light started to flicker with renewed energy. The pain that had been her constant companion slowly receded, like the tide pulling away from the shore. Her joints, once swollen and tender, began to move with ease, and the fatigue that had weighed her down lifted, leaving her feeling as light as a feather on the breeze. Ava's unwavering support and the plant-based diet had done what seemed impossible. They had given Lily a second chance at life. The girl who once watched the world from the sidelines now danced through her days, her laughter a melody that harmonized with the rustling leaves and singing birds. And so, Lily's story became one of triumph, a testament to the healing power of nature's own provisions. It was a tale that Ava shared far and wide, spreading the word of how a simple change in diet could bring about a miracle. For those who listened, it was not just educational but a profound reminder of the resilience of the human spirit and the boundless potential for renewal that lies within us all. In the end, Lily's journey with lupus and her transition to a plant-based lifestyle was more than just a story. It was a beacon of hope for all who faced their own storms, a shining example that sometimes, the cure we seek is growing in the soil beneath our feet.
Start your journey today. Like and follow for more.